Today, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Monday.com, whether you've accidentally deleted a task, made an incorrect update, or just need to revert a recent change. Knowing how to undo in Monday.com can save you time and prevent frustration. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. The quickest way to undo an action in Monday.com is by using keyboard shortcuts immediately after making a change. If you've just edited a cell or updated information on your board, simply press Ctrl+Z on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. This standard shortcut works across most browsers and will instantly revert your most recent change. It's the fastest method when you catch a mistake right away. What's really handy is that you can press this shortcut multiple times in a row. Each time you press it, Monday.com will step back through your recent actions, allowing you to undo several changes in sequence until you reach the exact state you want. This is particularly useful when you've made a series of quick edits and need to roll back several steps at once. Now here's another quick undo option that many users overlook. When you delete something in Monday.com, whether it's a task, a column, or another element, you'll often see a temporary notification appear at the bottom of your screen. This notification usually says something like item deleted and includes an undo button. If you catch it quickly and click that undo button within about 1 minute, your deleted item will be instantly restored. This is perfect for those moments when you accidentally delete something and realize it immediately. However, if you've closed that notification or more time has passed, don't worry, Monday.com has a more powerful undo feature built right into the activity log. To access this, start by opening the board where the change occurred. Once you're on your board, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find a 3 dots button. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, select Activity Log. This will open a detailed history of all changes made to your board, showing you who made each change and when it happened. The activity log is incredibly useful because it tracks virtually everything that happens on your board, from edits and deletions to status updates and comment additions. Now comes the best part. Scroll through the activity log to locate the specific change you want to undo. Once you find it, you'll notice a small undo icon next to that entry. Simply click this icon and Monday.com will revert that particular change, restoring your board to its previous state. This method is especially powerful because you can undo actions even if they happened hours or days ago, and you can selectively undo specific changes without affecting other work. And there you have it. You now know how to undo actions in Monday.com using both quick shortcuts and the activity log, giving you complete control over your board's change history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.